A decent 12 volt setup is absolutely essential when you're heading off grid, and this Sanhema 100 amp hour lithium battery and 12 volt control box makes it easy to keep your fridge running, your lights on and your devices charged. At the heart of this setup is this 100 amp hour LiFePO4 lithium battery, providing plenty of power in a nice compact size, and it features a 100 amp continuous discharge rating to run inverters, compressors or other high draw appliances. To last you for many adventures to come, Sanhema lithium batteries are powered with A-grade prismatic cells that feature a lifespan of 6,000 cycles, and these batteries have been designed to perform in temperatures up to 55 degrees. One of the biggest advantages to lithium batteries is just how lightweight they are, and this 100 amp hour Sanhema battery only weighs 10.6 kilos, which is up to 5 times lighter than a similar AGM battery setup. Monitoring the battery level is also easy with these Sanhema batteries, as they feature built-in Bluetooth, so we can see at a glance exactly how much power we have left. To make good use of all that power though, the Sanhema 12 volt control box is the ultimate plug and play solution, with everything we need to both charge and use the battery. On the front we find a 25 amp DC-DC charger, which effectively charges our battery from the vehicle's alternator while we're driving along, or with solar power through the built-in MPPT solar regulator. These control boxes have an assortment of power outlets, with two 10 amp cigarette lighter sockets for standard 12 volt accessories, 4 fast charge USB outlets including one USB-C, 4 Anderson outlets for higher draw appliances, and 5 rocker switches that can be used to run custom accessories like lighting. Up on top is a built-in 6-way fuse box to keep everything protected, with separate fuses pre-wired to each switch, and to keep an eye on your battery there's a convenient volt gauge that can be activated by pressing the red switch. These control boxes really are a great way to simplify your 12 volt setup, and installation is as simple as screwing it in place, attaching it to your battery using the included cables, and plugging in your starter battery to the alternator input. So to take your electrical setup to the next level, make sure you check out these Sanhema lithium batteries and 12 volt control boxes.